Mrs. Chu. I was just stopping by to see if there was anything you needed. I know it's no consolation, but I gotta look at one of the gunmen from the wedding. Now, I will find him, and I'll make him tell me who's responsible.
唔使，你揾到佢，你帶佢嚟呢度，你拎佢俾我啊！
Ricky, this way.
Shit, Way. How you holding up?
I got a lot of loose ends to clean up. I need an outsider for a couple things. You got Johnny Ratface's number?
Johnny Ratface? Man, stay away from that lunatic. You give him a job, you're gonna have to steam clean your conscience when he's done. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know all about him. He's my man.
I guess you know what you're doing.
Hey, is this Johnny?
Yeah?
A friend sent me to you. Works with a lot of movie stars, know what I mean?
So?
So I got a problem. He said you could help me.
I'm busy.
Wait, please, look. I trade diamonds. Down in Central, my partner took off with all our stock. And by the time the cops look into it, he'll be halfway to... Got you, fucker.
Baby, I promise.
Are you insane?
Think of all the money we'll make. This is our future, you and me.
Fuck you, asshole. I'm not taking off my clothes for you or anyone else.
Asshole.
Come on, ladies. Look at along. Move, bitch. What do you think this is? 我話你知咩叫眼前一黑啊？仲有得靠樣揾食啊！你老母啊！打柒你！冇理我啦！
Do you know those girls from the Bang Bang Club?
You!
Don't let them get me! See you later, motherfucker! What do you want?
A friend of mine wants to serve you some noodles.
What? You crazy? Look, man, I got powerful friends.
Yeah? Who would that be?
They gonna kill you.
Tell me their names, so we can go see them right now. Look, what are the odds they're gonna even admit they even know you?
Fuck you, I'm not gonna tell you nothing.
You don't have to. Someone else will ask the question.
Well, fuck him too!
Johnny the Rat Face. Meet Mrs. Chu. Winston's mother.
Osama!
I don't know what this guy told you.
佢話俾我聽 ，Winston 死個人，你就喺嗰度。
Fuck!
而家你話俾我聽，邊個叫你做啊？
I don't know what you're talking about, you crazy old bitch. Please.
喂，你而家應該走，你走啦喂。
Wait, don't leave me here. She's fucking crazy. Okay, I'll tell you anything you want to know. Just please don't.